Dear student, I am starting your lecture number 12 on a binary number system. In today's lecture, I will discuss the 2's complement arithmetic for subtraction. In the last two lectures, we have discussed about the complement arithmetic. First, we have discussed the first complement arithmetic for addition and subtraction. Then we have also discussed the 2's complement arithmetic for addition. Let us see what are the steps for subtractions in a 2's complement arithmetic. Suppose you want to subtract the number b from a, means it is nothing but you can say a plus 2's complement of b. The subtraction of any number b from a is the addition of number a with the 2's complement of number b. The algorithm for subtraction in a 2's complement arithmetic are as follows, or you can say the step you have to do for subtraction of b from a is like this. First, find the number of bits required to represent the number a and b. The number of bits required to represent a and b can be found with the help of the magnitude, with the help of the equation given here. The 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1 should be greater or equal to magnitude of a, b and a minus b. So n is nothing but the numbers of bits required to represent a and b. Step number 2. Find 2's complement. Find 2's complement of b. Find 2's complement of b. You can say find the 2's complement of a and b both, because the 2's complement of positive number a is nothing but the same as the sign magnitude number. So you can write, find the 2's complement of b. Do addition, add a and b. 4. If carry is generated, then discard carry. 5th, if MSB is 1, then it is a negative. Then answer is equal to minus 2's complement of a plus b. 6. If MSB is 0, then it is a positive number, and it is in a sign magnitude or true number, you can say. So look the step, find the number of bits using this equation. Second, find the 2's complement of b, add a plus b. If carry is generated, then discard. If MSB is 1, it is a negative, then answer is negative of 2's complement of this addition of these two. MSB 0, it is a positive, it is in a true form. So let us do some numerical, you will get the idea. First we are doing 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. So you can say it is your A minus B. 8 minus 9 is, you know, minus 1. Okay. So let us this problem solve with the help of 2's complement method. So here A is your 8, B is your 9. So I am writing it is your nothing but the 8 minus 9 is nothing but the 8 plus 2's complement of 9. So step 1 I am doing. Step 1. I am using this equation to find the number of bit A, B, A minus B, magnitude I am taking. From this I am getting number of n is nothing but the 5. Step number 2. 8 is represented in a 5 bit 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. 9 is represented 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. First complement of 9, first complement of this 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. 2's complement is nothing but I have to add plus 1 here. So here I can write 2's complement of 9 is equal to, I can write this is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, triple 1. Now third step, do the addition. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How much bit it is required? How much bit? Look here, 5 bit. So 8 should be you write in 5 bit. 9 you have to write in a 5 bit. Answer you should get also in 5 bit. So there is no carries here. Carry is not generated. So no need to talk about discard. 4. MSB is 1. Therefore answer is negative. So answer is equal to negative of 2's complement of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, you can say. So minus first complement of 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1. Therefore, you know this is what is the first complement of this? 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 1. So it is, my answer is minus 1. I think you understand this, all the steps. It is similar, you can do either by addition method or subtract. This is Devkyan, so I am discussing. Now, let us do another. Look here, second numerical we are discussing. 9 minus 8, you know it is 1, means A is equal to 9, B is equal to minus 8. So A minus B I have to find. Let us find with the help of 2's complement. Means A minus B we have written A plus 2's complement of B. A, you know it is your 8, it is your 9, 1. First step. Step 1, I have to find the number of bit I have to use for representation of A and B. So from this I can find n is 5. What is your A? A is nothing but the 9. So in 5 bit I should write like this. Now for B I am writing. So for 8 I can write 0 1 0 0 0. Let us see the first complement of 8 is nothing but it is 1 0 1 1 1. If you add 1 here, you will get your 2's complement. So 2's complement of 8 is nothing but 1. This 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1, 0, carry is 1, 0, this is 1. So you will get your 2's complement is nothing but, like you can see, look here again, I am discussing. This is your for 8 5 bit 0 1 0 0 0. You get its first complement 1 1 1 0 1. Add 1. So you will get 2's complement. 1 plus 1 0 carries 1 in. 1 plus 1 0 carries 1. 1 plus 1 0 carries 1. So this is your 2's complement of 8. This is your, you can say, 2's complement of 8. Let us plus, you can say, 2's complement, you know, this way you are writing 1 1 0 0 0. If you add this 1 0 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, carries 1, 0 carries 1. Now, how much bit I have to use? 5 bit. What the bit? Here a 5 bit. What the bit? 5 bit. What the answer? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 bit means carry is generated. So you have to discard this carry. This carry you have to discard. You have to use only 5 bits. Now, what is your final result? This is your final results. So now check your MSB. MSB is 0. Therefore, answer is positive and it is in a true form, means your answer is plus 0 0 0 0 1, means your answer is plus 1. This is the way you can solve your numerical. First, 46 minus 23 we want to do. So answer is 23. So it is A is your 46, B is your 23. You know it is nothing but the A plus 2's complement of B. First we will write this equation, this answer. 2 raised to n minus 1 greater than 46 and 23. So number of n is 7 you will get. Number of n is 7. Now for in a 7 bit 23 is written as a 0 0 1 0 triple 1. 43 is represented as a 0 1 0 triple 1 0 and 23 is like this. So let us find first complement of 23. It is 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. Now in 2's complement I have to add here 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. This is your 2's complement of 23. Now A plus minus B. So I can write, I have to do 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. That is A. A means nothing but the 46. Now 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. That is your minus B. It is minus 23. So I am doing this. This is 1 1 1 0 1 1 plus 1 0. This is your 0. How much bit I have to use? 7. How much bit is coming here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 bit is coming. plus 1 add. This is plus 1 is here. So 8 bit is there. 8 bit. So this is called carry. And you have to discard the carry. Now, so final result is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This MSB is 0. So answer is positive and it is in a true form. So I have to find this is your answer is nothing but the plus 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So I can get it is your plus 23. You can do this problem reverse also. See what I did? First I have to find the binary number of 43. I have to find the binary number of 20. First I have to find the number of bit required to represent A and B. Then I have to find number of binary number of 43 in a 7 bit. For 23 7 bit. First complement I have to find. Then 2's complement. Then I have to do addition. Check carry is generated. Yes. Discard it. Then check your sign. MSB is 0. So it is your positive. So in this way you can get your answer. Let us do the reverse way. 23 minus 46, you will get minus 23. So it is nothing but you can say answer 23 plus 2's complement of 46. First I have to find number of bit required to represent the A and B. This is nothing but the A is 23, B is 46. So A minus B I have to find. So 23 I can write in a 7 number of bit 0, 0, 1, 0, 111. 46 I would write in a 7 bit 0, 1, 0, 111, 0. So 46 I would write like this. Now, first complement of 46 is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Plus you do the addition 1. 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is your 2's complement. 2's complement of 46. See, this is your 46 in a, you can say it is in a 7 number of bits. Now you find the first complement 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then you add 1. This is your 2's complement. I have to add this 2's complement here for this is for A, for minus B. A minus B is what? 46 here, nothing but I can write. So it is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. I have to add this A into B. This is your 1, 0 carries 1, 0 carries 1, 0 carries 1, 1, this is your 1. This MSB is 1. So answer is negative. Therefore answer is equal to minus first complement of 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 plus 1. So I'll get minus, this is your 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 plus 1. So I'll get 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So it is nothing but the minus 23. I think it's very easy to do such kind of problem. Now, for your work at your home, you can do such kind of a problem. You can get some idea. If you do the practice, then it is good. This is, you must understand. If you do not, if you want to write more clearly, then again right answer is nothing but the negative of 2's complement. 2's complement of 110 1001. This is you can do. I think you understand.